Now we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned when the price was within this move, we mentioned this one can drop more, become deeper, and this is what we get. Okay, actually there is no much changes I mean, compared to our analysis in my last video. And we mentioned if you want to look for buy, one of the option was to look for the breakout of this trend line. Still same. If we get any breakout with a sharp move and flag, we can look for buy. The another option was to have entry above the top. Right now, I will remove the entry above the top. It depends on the traders whether they want to put or not. Because we mentioned if this one turn to deeper, then we cannot. I mean, we can remove the entry above the top because we can expect to get the breakout of here at least trade setup. But anyway, in case there is a reversal with a sharp move, we would get, I mean, we couldn't get any trade setup within this range. Still, traders they can have entry above the top. It depends on them and how they can manage it. Okay, and in this case, we move to higher time frame. As you can see, based on higher time frame, based on daily chart, this is what we're looking for. We want to see whether if we put this one in relative to this move, that's mean we have a sharp move, this correction, whether we can get one move up or not. And in this case, we move to lower time frame. And as we can see, based on lower time frame, we have been putting this one in relative to this as a running flat for next move. And now this is what we're looking for. All right, we want to see how deep this one can go, whether it can break the trend line and break this low or not. Okay, and in this case, we don't. I mean, as we can see, the price is dropping even based on lower time frame, but we don't have any opportunity to look for sell because the way it's moving is very corrective. Every time it's give a small correction and drop, but there was no trade setup for sell. But the only thing is we're looking for buy, and we're looking for the breakout of this top. Sorry, breakout of this trend line. Anyway, if we get any trade setup, with, for example, with the breakout of the trend line with the flag, when the price come to the top, if we see, we need to see whether there is a continuation or not. If there is no continuation, we see start to correct, then I think it's better we take out the trade. That's mean from there we should start to manage if we see there is no breakout. By the way, still we can expect this one to drop a bit more before we get the next move. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, then I will share. As I mentioned, there is no much changes in compared to my last analysis. Everything is same. The only thing is this one bit become deeper. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.